At the opening of LMI Technologies' Cupertino office, we were joined by several of our TKH Vision sister companies who brought along some incredible demonstrations of their own cutting-edge machine vision technologies. While these products are not developed by LMI Technologies, they showcase the expertise of our larger TKH Vision family.
Hi, I'm Jeremy Jowers. I work with Chromasense. We're a high-speed, high-resolution line scan camera and lighting manufacturer from Germany. And here we have one of our products that's brand new. It's the allPIXA Neo 6K Color and NIR. It has RGB and NIR all in one, without flashing. Here we have a light that we design and manufacture that is white LEDs interlaced with NIR LEDs. And with that, you can see an image in color and near infrared all in one. This solution to applications for optical sorting, for printing and packaging, for currency, a multitude of industries, you can see different aspects of quality in NIR versus color. For food and beverage, you have the option to actually see foreign objects that are difficult to resolve in color. Here you have high contrast in the NIR. It's 10 GigE, copper-based, or CXP 12, 2 lines. You can take your encoder from your transport system directly into your camera and keep square pixels even based on changing in speeds. It can output frames as well as lines. One camera controls the next camera, so you talk to one camera, it's a master-slave mode. We have alignment adapters, so you can precisely align those cameras in our GenieCam compliant and GigE Vision compliant software. All of this is designed and manufactured by us at Chromasense in Germany.